Haítų zaqv. The BioPower Eco-Village is one of 12 climate action solutions that we need to prioritize as a nation. Co-generation heat and power is created by the use of sawdust and wood chips. Sawdust and wood chips are called biomass waste. We can add value to this biomass waste by using it to create heat and power. When we create heat and power to buildings in close proximity, it's called district heating. We would use cogeneration heat and power for district power and heating of a pilot project of 10 homes. We have our local sawmill, and our recent acquisition of Shearwater also has a mill that has biomass that we could use to create this clean energy. The use of biomass waste aligns with our Haítų zaqv values, not to waste and to create a sustainable future for generations of children yet to come. The pilot project will support direction we take as a nation to scale up and utilize for more homes or commercial buildings. The school, the big house, the elders building, and community hall are all in close proximity and could potentially use waste to create clean, affordable energy. Please vote today on the 12 climate action solutions that have arose out of our first climate action survey. Let your voice be heard and provide your input to our children's healthier, sustainable tomorrows. Haítų zaqv.